Hello and welcome back to my channel. We are on holiday at the moment in London and I just went grocery shopping and I got some food for our hotel. Now our hotel room, we don't have a fridge, we don't have any cooking facilities, so for this afternoon, this evening, I wanted to just make some healthy meals, have some healthy meals, but without cooking, for our family of 4. So I'm going to show you what I got and talk you through the meals I plan to make. So this is my little haul of goodies that I got. I found these veggie straws for myself and my kids. We've just kind of transitioned off being on ARP diet, so we try and kind of be as whole foods and without gluten and all that, and as little sugars as possible and all that. But anyway, we've got some apples and bananas and mandarins too, little tiny easy peelers for fruit. I found these little chocolate pots. We've had these before in Ireland and they're really a nice little treat. We are on holiday, so I thought, why not? Now we found these spinach protein pots. There are 2 hard-boiled eggs and some spinach in each one. So for protein, my husband and I are each gonna have one, and then the kids are gonna share one, so they'll have a hard-boiled egg each, and we will have 2. I got a little block of cheese. We're just going to break it into 4 pieces and have some cheese, some more veggies there with cucumber. I got some salt just to keep in the room, so if we get any meats or anything, we can add some salt to it. And we got some yogurts too. Now that just kind of will keep us healthy while we're in a hotel room. We'll keep all the fruit in the room, so when we come into the room we can have some fruit and veg. This afternoon, this evening, we just arrived today and we're all kind of a bit out of it. We just want something quick and healthy-ish, and this is what we got. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.